Well, hello everybody. Here we go. We've got a FS85r Weedeater string trimmer. It's currently not going, and I suspect the piston is scored on it from what I can see down the exhaust. So I thought we would pull it apart together. So here we go. Now we've got to pull off the coil. I've never done one of these, so this will be a first for me. I've pulled string from Mr. Bits, but not a Stihl FS85r. But I guess once you've done one, you've done them all really. It still goes, still pulls over, and it does run. And it's got compression. So I have started it, already pulled the carburetor off. I've put fuel down the carburetor and it fires up that way, so let's have a look see. So there we go, Stihl FS85r. Okay, let's have a look. Apparently they're a pretty good wee trimmer, but not if your pistons are not working correctly. Okay, there we go, there's the coil off. Now I think these come apart by the cylinder comes off underneath by the looks of it, so we have to have a look at that. There it is. Okay. Right, that's the exhaust off. The exhaust looks clear. But when we shine the light down the cylinder, the piston is actually scored. I don't know if it would be savable. Yeah, the top ring's still free. Okay, so next we need to take, I want to clean the fuel system out as well, so whoop, you're in for it. Okay, and one there. Okay. Oh, that drill driver makes work a lot easier. Wow, look at that. Okay, because I need to clean that tank out anyway, so let's add water in it at some stage. Okay, model number 1129. Oh, okay, yep, I got you, they do too. That's quite a nice wee compact unit. Right, so there's the handle taken off. Okay, yep. Put that over there for now. Okay. Now I haven't got one that's long enough. T27. Will that work? That might work. Yeah. That'll work that side. Will that work on that side? That will work that side. Oh, cool. Find the hole. Cool, found it. Okay. Ah, yes, it is too. There we are. Right. Oh, I can't be losing those. Yep. Okay. Alright. Piston rings are free, both of them. But that's pretty scored though. Now, well, jeepers. Yeah, it's pretty scored, alright. That side's the exhaust, and that side's the inlet. So even that's pretty scored. Now, what is the... You know, that might clean up. I don't know if you can see that, but see if we get some light on the subject. This is difficult trying to get it so you guys can see. Yeah, it's pretty scored up, but I may be able to clean that up, hopefully. Well, hopefully you can see that. Oh well, there we go. There's no, from what I can see, there's no piston material left on the bore, or very little anyway. If I had some muriatic acid, I'd be able to clean that up. But that might be able to savable, that I think, which is good. Okay, what's the that big end bearing seems okay. All right. It might be a wee project. I'll have to go and find some parts, but that might be a good wee project. Clean that up and get that going again. Ah, nice. I like it. Now I'll clean that tank out and have a look for some parts, I guess. See what I can find. That might just come up. Okay. Yes, I can't really feel any grooves in the cylinder wall. I can just catch my fingernail near the exhaust port, the bottom of the exhaust port. But that may be because of piston transfer, maybe. Oh well, that might be able to I may be able to clean that up. Yep, well, that's going to be a project for another time. So I just thought we'd pull it down. I thought it would pull down a little bit slower than that, but it didn't, so. But never mind. Alright guys, thanks for watching.